curb charger for electric vehicles by Rheinmetall combines functionality, reliability, and even elegance. It delivers a charging capacity of up to 22 kilowatts at a standard voltage of 400 volts and a current of 32 amps. Measuring less than a meter long and 25 centimeters wide, with a weight of 80 kilograms, it seamlessly blends into urban environments without taking up unnecessary space. Made from concrete, aluminium, and stainless steel, the casing guarantees long-lasting durability. The unit is fully weather-resistant and moisture-proof. A sophisticated cooling system protects it from summer heat, and integrated heating ensures reliable performance in winter. Maintenance is incredibly simple. The electronic module can be swapped out in mere minutes. Now it's crystal clear where to park your Tesla. Hyundai Motor and Kia Robotics Lab have developed an innovative device to enhance workplace efficiency and reduce injuries. The X-ble shoulder exoskeleton weighs only 1.9 kilograms and relieves shoulder strain by 60% while reducing muscle activity by 30%. This Iron Man-style accessory requires no recharging. Its hinge module is designed to withstand up to 700,000 cycles per year. 2 versions of the exoskeleton are currently available for purchase. The base model is designed for dynamic tasks, providing up to 2.9 kilograms of assistive force. The adjustable version, tailored for repetitive motions, increases the support to 3.7 kilograms of force and allows angle customization for optimal comfort. The X-ble shoulder maintains an arm motion range of 0 to 180 degrees, making it a perfect tool for industries like engineering, aviation, and more. Years ago, blind people lacked the means to perceive the world on the same level as others. Today, the SuperBrain device is changing that. By converting digital information into tactile sensations, it produces soft, pleasant touches that transmit data about motions, speed, distance, and nearby objects. This innovative solution enables intuitive spatial understanding, creating what's known as situational awareness. SuperBrain is incredibly user-friendly. Simply press the power button to turn it on. Designed with ergonomics in mind, its well-balanced weight reduces strain on your neck and back. The device can run continuously for up to 3 hours on a single charge and recharges completely in just an hour with USB-C. For extended use, you can connect an external power bank. Impressive, isn't it? Shopping becomes even more enjoyable with Shopic, a smart device that attaches to supermarket carts and instantly identifies added items. The total cost is displayed on a small screen. The device also benefits store owners with GPS-style tracking, revealing customer movement patterns and identifying popular product displays. The carts recharge at stations and ensure uninterrupted service all day long. Developers highlight that their innovations are already in use at Walmart in Chile, Intermarché in France, and Capgemini in the United States. What an impressive global reach! NaviCam Xpress is a truly groundbreaking tool for stomach examination. This tiny camera, encased in a capsule the size of a standard pill, is swallowed by the patient with water. The system offers a 360-degree view, allowing doctors to thoroughly inspect the entire stomach. The capsule is controlled using magnets, enabling precise movement within the stomach cavity. The capsule is designed for patients over 6 years old, with a waist circumference of up to 196 centimeters. Inside the capsule, there's a built-in light source that ensures clear images, even in the darkest corners of the stomach. The software allows doctors to view anatomical images in real time, review recorded data, and export it for further analysis. The all-in-one quality control tunnel represents the future of the automotive industry. It combines 3 key functions within a single system, measuring over 100 parameters, including material checks, color verification, and surface defect detection. This ensures comprehensive quality control of finished vehicles without interrupting the production process. The tunnel is equipped with cameras that accurately measure gaps. Using a combination of artificial intelligence and specialized lighting, the system detects scratches and dents. It also checks the presence and correct placement of components, including logos and labels. A standout feature of the tunnel is its ability to adapt to any vehicle model, requiring little disruption to the production process. The cameras capture thousands of images, providing instant feedback and creating a comprehensive digital record of the inspection. Bought a BMW with a dent? Take it up with the tunnel. New AI-powered headphones have hit the market, designed to create a sound bubble around the user. Developed by researchers at the University of Washington, this innovation helps users hear sounds and voices more clearly within a range of 1 to 2 meters, while simultaneously reducing external noise by an average of 49 decibels. The key to this device lies in its 6 microphones, built into regular headphones that also feature standard noise-canceling technology. The artificial intelligence analyzes the sound as it reaches each microphone, calculating the distance to the source. The system filters out distant noises, emphasizing those closer by. It's been successfully tested in 22 locations, including offices and residential spaces. Would you ride a bike wearing these headphones? Kinetic walls are more than just an architectural feature. They're designed to interact with people. This invention combines cutting-edge computer vision and mechatronics to create unique interactive scenarios. The walls can transform into transparent surfaces, revealing stunning landscapes, or display a wild, sharp motion dance. Each Kinetic wall is fully customizable to meet project requirements, allowing you to choose the size, shape, and finish of the triangles, as well as their color and integration with external systems. This flexibility makes them perfect for museum exhibits, gallery spaces, and even entertainment venues. Using the software, the wall's behavior can be modeled before installation. The devices are designed and produced in Turin, and every part is carefully tested to meet the highest quality standards, so the room won't suddenly become transparent when you least expect it. FuninVR proudly positions itself as a leader in developing VR simulators and technologies for business and entertainment. They handle the entire process, from concept to maintenance. At their 14,000 square meter facility, a team of over 60 engineers works on server management, sensor configuration, and AI training. FuninVR's projects are truly impressive in scale. Minsk is now home to the region's largest VR park, spanning 1,400 square meters. This state-of-the-art facility is designed to break even in just 6 months. The company also provides turnkey equipment delivery and installation, comprehensive user manuals, monthly content updates, and 24/7 technical support. Built to last 10 years, this robust system leaves one imagining the possibilities of the next generation of VR simulators. The integration of autonomous vehicle technology marks a major advancement for humanity. PIXKIT provides the tools necessary to develop and test driverless car software. It can generate vector maps, plan routes, recognize traffic lights, and avoid obstacles. The package includes a drive-by-wire chassis, a sensor package, and a computing unit. With support for open CAN interfaces, PIXKIT allows users to design and test custom algorithms on actual platforms. The chassis has only the essentials: the engine, transmission, brakes, and lights. Universities, research institutes, and private companies around the world, including